Hello, Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Gift ideas for your mom. Number 1, Dove Project Car Mount Mobile Phone Holder. A mounted cell phone is one that's in the driver's line of sight and not in their hand sending text messages. Number 2, Remax Charger and Cable. Always be charging. This 3-in-1 cable with Lightning, micro USB, and USB-C attachments has every device covered. Number 3, Blade Car Headrest Cup Holder. We all know that moms are always on the go, so why not reward them with a cup holder to prevent their drink from spilling, especially when they are very busy or in traffic. Number 4, Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit. Of course, just because it is a lady-owned vehicle doesn't mean you shouldn't provide the best car care experience for their cars. This set will be your home buddy, especially if your mom does not have so much time on her plate to go to different car wash or service centers. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.